Java-based tool that automatically detects direct defects in API documents and recommend repair solutions to fix them. Particular drones take as input a Java library, analyze using ST parsing its code, and represent the code in a full formal representation. In a similar way, it takes as input the API documents and using NLP parsing, it generates a doc constants full formal representation of it. Particularly using such solving, it's possible with drones to compare the constraints that are described in the code and the documentation to detect documentation defects. Particularly then, drones leverage those defects and NLP heuristics from code and description in API documents to generate potential uh, recommendations for fixing the problems. To use the tool, it's possible to watch this video from the provided YouTube link, and the research behind drones is also shared in this web page, which is related to two recent accepted papers. To use the tool, you can directly go to the GitHub of the project, where the tool is freely available and open source for download. Particularly there is reported description on how to use the tool, how to configure the tool in a Windows environment. To facilitate the usage of the tool, we also provide a drone version pre-installed in virtual machines that can be obtained via email. To use the tool, it's sufficient to install it in an Eclipse version in the Windows machine and run the application as an Eclipse application. Once selected the library, what is possible to do with the new opened version of Eclipse is to select two views of drones. One is called drones detect view and drones repair view. From the drone repair view, we can select the actual project. So for example, let's analyze the Yoda 11 version. Then we have to select where store the results of the analysis and click on invocation analysis to analyze the structure of the source code. It will analyze its code using EST parsing, and then clicking the next button, we will extract the constraints from source and documentations of this library. Finally, by clicking Document Inconsistent Details Analysis button, we extract the potential defects. After performing the comparison between the source code and the documentation, the tool will detect defects that then we can fetch by using the drone repairs views that allows to generate a patch solution for each problem. In particular, starting, for example, to select the potential problem, the tool suggests the location of the problem, and as you can see here, recommendation solution for this problem.